Well, we just had a big snowstorm. I was on days off. Come back to this. Gonna have lots of digging to do. This is on the pier. That is a massive tractor. A bit of the gutter is pulled out there, but so I guess the seaboat almost sank. They've got it dug out. I'm not going to dig that out there because the cornice, there's still a lot of snow up here. I don't want it to fall down on me while I'm down there, so I'm just going to leave that section to melt out by itself. We've got our door down there. We can't even get out of those doors. The doors open outwards, which is not ideal in Canada. So the plow's not plowing the best. You can see there's a gap under it there. You can see here, it's like the stop. So there's a bunch of shims there. I'm going to try and adjust it to get it a little lower. Now I don't know if they did it for a reason, because we do sort of use it off-road. It's not a paved surface, so maybe it's to let, so we don't get all of the rocks or something. I'm not sure. I'm going to try lowering it and see if it helps. So I've taken just about all of the shims out of it now. I've got all of the shims on top. It's working much better because now the blade is actually touching the ground. I don't know why it was like that. I thought it might have been just because of like using it off-road, so you're not getting as many rocks, but it just doesn't seem to move as much snow. Anyway, now I've got to go up there. We've got a boat there on the freshwater lake. Just going to go checking it with all the snow. Might need digging out. So normally we don't have to hike up here, but the road's got so much snow on it, and even though, like the truck there, I've got chains on all four tires, it's too steep to get up that other section, and I can only plow coming down. I don't have enough traction to plow up the hill. There's the boat, and that does look like it's got a lot of snow. Well, it's still floating. That's the good news. little dugout. It does have a bilge in it, so, but it's still kind of half raining, half snow, so I'll have to just keep checking it.